Good morning, children. How are you all? So now in which lesson we are? We are in changes around us. Already we discussed how the milk is converted into curd. Already we discussed and what are the conditions required to get the curd. Isn't it? Formation of the curd is a permanent change. It is a permanent change. You will not get back again milk. Isn't it? So you are adding the previous milk, you know the conditions. Already I explained you how the curd is formed and what is the taste of the curd also. Isn't it? Milk, when you are using the milk, it is in liquid state. After converting into the curd, it is in semi-solid state. You have seen the change. Color also will be changed. Off white color you will get for the curd, and milk is pure white, and milk is sweet in taste, and curd is little bit sour in taste. So these changes you will observe when milk converts into curd. It is a man-made change. It is a man-made change. But one thing is, I want to make it clear, it is very important, don't taste anything without knowing. Without knowing, don't taste anything, any substance. It will be hazardous to your health also. So you have to be more careful when you are tasting anything in the presence of your parents, elders, or under the guidance of teachers or in your elders. You have to taste the substances, new substances especially. So now here we will know this activity, finding the conditions for making curd. Finding the conditions for making curd. What are the conditions required for making curd? Here say, take 3 bowls with milk. This is bowl 1, bowl 2 and bowl 3. You are taking 3 bowls with the milk. You are taking in this milk. You are taking what you are taking? Milk. Now, in the first bowl, take a cold milk. Cool milk you have to take. Cold milk you have to take. Isn't it? In the second bowl, take lukewarm milk. Lukewarm milk. In the third one, take very hot milk. You are seeing the temperatures of 3 bowls milk. In the first bowl, take cold milk, very cool milk you have to take. In the second bowl, lukewarm milk means you can keep the finger easily. It is not too hot, not cold. Isn't it? So like that milk you have to take. That is lukewarm milk. And third one is very hot milk. The temperature is low, temperature is average in this, temperature is very high in this. Understood? Now, what you have to do is, take a previous curd. Take a previous curd, add the curd in all the 3 bowls. Little curd in 3 bowls. Little curd in all the 3 bowls. Isn't it? Cover it with the lid. Cover it with the lid and keep it in the room temperature only for few hours. For few hours keep it in the room temperature. But you have to see these conditions. What are the conditions required for making the curd? In first bowl you are taking cold milk, very cool milk you are taking. In the second, lukewarm milk, and in the third you are taking very hot milk. And in this what you are adding? A curd you are adding. Isn't it? Little curd you are adding, keep it aside. In room temperature only you have to keep. Isn't it? Now, after few hours, open the lid and observe the formation of the curd. In which bowl the curd formation takes place and in which bowls the curd is not formed. Here see, in first bowl, the temperature is very low. Low temperature is there. The milk will be, the curd is not formed. In the second bowl, the temperature is average and the curd is formed in this. And in the third bowl, the temperature is high and the curd is not formed here. Now here see, what is present? What is present in the curd which helps in the formation of the curd? Here a type of bacteria is present in the curd. The bacteria is present in the curd, that is what you call it, lactic acid bacteria. bacteria is present in the curd. Now here, when you are adding the curd in the cold milk, what happens? The bacteria will not multiply in number. The temperature is not suitable to multiply in number. In cold, when the temperature is low, the bacteria will not multiply. So no question of formation of the curd here. Now the temperature is suitable to multiply the bacteria in number. Isn't it? The bacteria multiply in number very fastly in this bowl, lukewarm milk, and helps in the formation of the curd. In the third one, when you add the curd, the bacteria will be killed. Because of high temperature, the bacteria are killed and there is no question of the formation of the curd. So these are the conditions required for the formation of the curd you have seen here, isn't it? So now here, changing the seasons. So you have seen, understood this, children? What are the conditions required for the formation of the curd? You observe when your mother is preparing the curd. Ask your mother also why this happens, why we are using lukewarm milk, why not hot milk or why not cold milk. Ask your mother, isn't it, this question? And here this is the scientific reason behind the formation of the curd. Now change of seasons also. Change of seasons are temporary. The changing seasons are temporary changes, isn't it? Changing seasons are temporary because every 4 months you are getting the season. Now this is a season of winter. After winter, what you are getting? You are getting winter, you are getting, then after winter you are getting summer season. After summer season again rainy season you are getting. So these seasons are in cyclic form, in cycle. So these are the temporary changes. The change of season is a temporary change. So if the winter season changes into summer season, we observe the change in our clothes also. Isn't it? In winter season we like to wear warm clothes. Understood? Along with the change of season, our lifestyle also will be changed. This you keep in mind. Our lifestyle also will be changed. Lifestyle means food habits and clothes. Food habits and clothes, isn't it? Due to seasons we are changing our lifestyle. So when the season is changes, our wearing dress also will be changed. Change of clothes also you will observe. So this is a winter season. We like to wear warm clothes, sweaters, mufflers, gloves, socks, 24 hours, isn't it? And we like to take hot food. Hot tea, coffee we like to take in winter season. Hot food we like to take in winter season. When the summer season comes, we like to wear light fitting clothes. Light colored clothes we like to wear. Cotton clothes we like to wear, isn't it? So we like to wear cotton clothes, we like to wear loose fitting clothes, light colored clothes we like to wear. We like to take the cool drinks, we like to take ice creams in this season, isn't it? So due to seasons we change our lifestyle also. Our food habits also we changes, isn't it? These changes we observe when the seasons are changed. So seasons are, along with this I am explaining you also, seasons are temporary changes. Here you are saying which change is fast. The making curd into milk into curd is a fast change or seasons? Change of seasons here. Change of season is a slow change and making milk into curd is a fast change. This also simultaneously I am explaining you, isn't it? So here change of season is a temporary change. Again and again you will get it. Again and again you will get it, isn't it? So this is about the seasons, how the changes observe in your day-to-day life, isn't it? Thank you children. Have a nice day.